Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm still on to binary options trading, and I'm really glad to make a new useful video for you because I got just a massive feedback how it's useful, and I'm truly glad that I can make something like that. So today we're gonna make trading on the tendencies as I love it, and as I find the most predictable ways to trade. And today I want you to be attentive to the figures. We're gonna discuss it more. We're gonna discuss it more in the latest video that we have, and also to see the tendencies, in advance, to see it on the chart, how it starts, when it's gonna end, and to see it, just like in the long periods. So we start today. So guys, we are back here for the chart, and today we're gonna use the Heikin Ashi candles. I've used it before in my videos. You can find it in Check or maybe I can give you some links. And here also we're gonna use the new indicator. It's called alligator, and we're changing the period to 10 here. Yep. And this one also we gotta use. Not gonna change it, not gonna make it smaller. And you may see here, I'm just gonna close it up, and the downside movement, and actually in these candles you may see a reversal, this like a reverse turn. So after we may see the uprising, and after that we can predict the downfall, so as it happens usually. So we can make it for a down, and the chart now is going actually into volatility and accumulation period, so we're just gonna wait for a result how it goes. So as you can see here, it was actually profitable. We made it right. So let's switch to the next currency pair, and you may see here the tendency of the market actually clearly, and it's pretty obvious here that the market is just gonna go up. So let's see how it goes here and make a bet. Yep. So we can see here the profit once again, and I forgot to tell you that I'm using 1 minute period here. And we are back to work. Here the tendency is clear. Yep, you can see no risky business, just going down. And it feels like we have some time till the breaking moment, so we are just actually gonna wait for our profit, and of course I'm making it down. So you may see here that we were right again, and I'm just feeling a bit fine today with all these wins in a row. And on this currency pair, actually the next one, we can see some regularity. Even without any indicator, actually it's seen quite obviously and quite perfect where the market actually going. So we just made a bet. Let's wait for the result here. So you may see actually that it's been working even better than I expected, because this giant green candles and the profit in the end, I like just how it was working. But as I told you before in my many videos, the tendency, sometimes it's not about the indicators, just the tendency. And if we go here and we go next, and you may see here that the downside movement is just out of control here, and it's both on 15 and 30 seconds charts. So but let's make a bet on down. I guess it's gotta work out. Just gotta work out here. Okay. And okay, it seems like it's worked out even with the risky market, but the predictable, and the feeling that it's gonna work. So this is combined and important. And what we see here is upcoming tendency, which is actually about to stuck, to be in an even position, and we're gonna actually count on that. So we may see here that I was right, and actually my prediction was that chart is not gonna go any higher, and that's what happened. And we change here, and also some stability is shown. After just going up, it's supposed to go down. So we are making a bet here for down, of course. It was it was quite nervous, if I'm being honest. I was all attentive to the charts because at some point it seemed to me that it's not going to be as I predicted, but it worked it out. So with this new chart, you may see the tendency here. And actually, we can say this actually some later, situation. Some traders call it stairs. And we can predict here the movement, and the movement is going to be up because it's just moving up and down, and it's really, really obvious, especially on this type of charts. So we're back here for the results, and it seemed like the guess or the analysis was correct, and also this time. So we're just switching and going next. Here, just the accumulation phase, and it's actually has come to its end, and we are waiting for some massive change. And I'm just making a bet with no hesitation here, and let's wait for the result. So it's done here also. It may seem, as some luck or, I don't know, something else like magic, but this is just experience and knowledge. Be sure about that. Okay, here on my chart, we actually may see some shoulder situation, it's like that. And we also here quite sure just about its movement that it's gonna go up for any reasonable reason. So we just made a bet here. And here once again, the predictable profit. And I'm quite fine with that. Today we have such a nice trading. And just checking here where was actually the highest point of the currency. And we are starting to see the shoulder figure again. And this is actually 100% signal for us to make a bet. And just here, and what's your thought? Yes, that was a profit again. And we're just going, to our finishing trades because it was quite a lot here just to demonstrate how it works. And let's finish on this currency pair. And again, the same general rules for the figures and the movements that it's gonna repeat itself. And just guys, trust me on that. The figures are working and we're making here a bet for a down. And we may see here the profit, and it's gonna be the last profit for today. I'm a bit tired but excited, so I hope it was useful for you. So guys, we are done for today, and I hope you like that. And I must say you have noticed that I used a different platform today. It's called Quotex. And it's not like I'm not going to work with the pocket option never again. No, it's not like that. I'm going to use both of these platforms, and I'm going to give my signals also both on these platforms because I actually and personally like both of them. You may see some changes in interface or something, like the minor changes between them. I can say that the strategies are working better on some of them on pocket option or on Quotex. For me, it's both of them just perfectly fine. So you can choose actually, or you can try both of them and decide what is going to be best for you. And I hope you gotta stay tuned. I still have my Telegram channel with my free signals on a daily basis, and I hope you're gonna join it. You can find all links on my Telegram and my Instagram in bio below this video, or in bio as I said before. So let's continue to trade on binary options, and I know you like that, so we just stay together.